This is right where it happened. She came out of the back entrance over there and was walking to her car in this side of the parking lot. The next thing she did might have just saved her life. This tiny siren is what saved my grandmother's life. Here's what happened. She normally doesn't go grocery shopping at night, but her grandkids were coming over and needed some last-minute snacks. She had to park a long way away. When she came out of the store, she noticed someone staring at her a long way off in the parking lot and seemingly following her as she walked to her car. As she got closer to her car, the person started running towards her. She didn't know what to do, so when he got close, she pulled the pen like this. People came running because the siren is so loud and can be heard from up to a mile away. Plus, the LED strobe light can blind someone for up to a minute. Luckily, she remembered she had it on her purse, and once it went off, the guy took off running away. People came around and helped her once they heard the siren and even called the police. I'm not sure if they caught him or not, but at least he didn't hurt or rob her, and I bet he won't be back to this area for a while after being blinded and hearing such a loud alarm. Thank God she had it on her. She's older, she's not as mobile as she used to be, and it's hard for her to run away or be able to reach her phone quickly. I don't want to think what would have happened if she didn't have it. It's so small, she keeps it clipped on her purse, so it's always with her. Even in her house, if an emergency happened, she could activate it and her neighbors would hear and come running. It's just such peace of mind knowing that even if something awful happens, something small like this can really save a loved one's life. I didn't even know something like this existed. Then I searched online and found a few other people talking about the same device, and there were tons of great reviews. Since then, I've ordered one for my wife, daughter, and a few other family members. Hopefully they never have to use them, but just in case, they'll have them. Plus, there are so many more robberies and assaults now, and the police say they're only going up. If a device like this can save the life of someone I love, then I'm gonna get it. If you want to protect someone in your family, there's a link below that's 50% off. Plus, there's a buy one, get one free sale going on now. So if you want it, I'd get it while it's on sale and they have inventory in stock.